Welcome back to MrGadget. I've been incredibly excited for today's video because we are finally getting our hands on the new king of budget flagships, the Xiaomi Pad 8. There's been a ton of hype around this device, with everyone calling it the ultimate iPad and Galaxy killer for 2026. And I'm here to see if it truly lives up to that high-performance reputation. Today, we're going to unbox it and walk through the initial setup. The box is classic Xiaomi, clean, white, and very minimalist. As we open it up, the first thing we see is the Pad 8 itself. Aside from the tablet, we have the usual paperwork and a high-quality USB-C charging cable. No charging brick here, so make sure you have your 45-watt fast charger ready. Let's look at this build. The finish on the back is absolutely stunning. A refined matte aluminum unibody that feels incredibly premium and, thankfully, does a great job at resisting fingerprints. It's impossibly thin, coming in at just 0.25 inches. We have a breathtaking 11-inch IPS display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and thin bezels. It's light, it's sleek, and the build quality feels like it belongs on a device twice its price. To finish things off, let's open up the official Folio cover. It feels great in the hand and attaches instantly with strong magnets. I love how it automatically wakes the screen when you open it, and it doubles as a perfect viewing stand. A great accessory to keep the tablet safe. Now, let's get this started with the first boot and walk through the setup process.